ഇന്നിവിടെ പറയുന്നത് കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് ബാങ്ക് എക്സാമിന് സ്ഥിരമായി ചോദിച്ചു വരുന്നുള്ള ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് ഇയേഴ്സ് ആണ്. ഇത് 100 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ അടങ്ങിയിട്ടുള്ള പാർട്ടാണ്. 100 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ അടങ്ങിയിട്ടുള്ള ഫസ്റ്റ് പാർട്ട് നേരത്തെ തന്നെ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. കാണാത്തവരുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതിൻ്റെ ലിങ്ക് ഈ വീഡിയോയുടെ ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ബോക്സിൽ കൊടുക്കുന്നതാണ്. പിന്നെ ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമായെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവരുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എല്ലാവരും ഒന്ന് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. എന്നാൽ മാത്രമേ ദിവസം അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന വീഡിയോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷനായി കിട്ടുകയുള്ളൂ. Question number 1. Indian Institute of Bankers started in the year. Answer 1928. Indian Institute of Bankers started in the year 1928. Question number 2. Malabar Land Mortgage Bank started in the year. Answer 1929. Malabar Land Mortgage Bank started in the year 1929. Question number 3. The first central land mortgage bank formed in Madras. Answer 1929. The first central land mortgage bank formed in Madras. Answer 1929. Question number 4. All India Cooperative Union formed. Answer 1929. All India Cooperative Union formed ചെയ്തത് 1929. Question number 5. Indian Sale of Goods Act. Answer 1930. Indian Sale of Goods Act 1930. Indian Banking Inquiry Committees Act. (1931). Indian Banking Inquiry Committees Act 1931. Number 7. Trivandrum Land Mortgage Bank started in the year. (1931). Trivandrum Land Mortgage Bank started in the year 1931. Number 8. Indian Partnership Act. (1932). Indian Partnership Act 1932. Number 9. Madras Province Cooperative Societies Act. 1932. Number 10. Fisheries Cooperative Law passed in Japan. 1932. Fisheries Cooperative Law passed in Japan. Answer 1932. 11. Madras State Commercial Corps Market Act. 1933. Madras State Commercial Corps and Market Act 1933. Reserve Bank of India Act. 1934. Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. Number 14. Coptex Tamil Nadu Weavers Society started in the year. 1935. Coptex started in the year 1935. 15. Cooperative principles expected in Paris. Answer 1937. Cooperative principles expected in Paris. Answer 1937. 16. Travancore Credit Bank formed in the year. 1938. Travancore Credit Bank formed in the year 1938. 17. Fact Finding Committee in the year. 1940. Fact Finding Committee in the year 1940. 18. Multi-Unit Act passed in the year. 1942. Multi-Unit Act passed in the year. Answer 1942. Question number 19. Travancore Central Cooperative Bank started in the year. Answer 23rd August 1943. Question number 20. Public Debt Act. Answer 1944. Question number 21. Report of the Agricultural Finance Subcommittee. Answer 1945. The Agriculture Finance Subcommittee chairman ആയിരുന്നത് D.R. Gadgil ആണ്. Question number 22. The Cooperative Planning Committee under the chairmanship of Sri R.G. Saraiya was set up in. Answer 1945. Question number 23. IBRD formed in. Answer 1944. Question number 24. The IMF formally came into existence. Answer 27th December 1945. Question number 25. Saraiya Committee report. Answer 1946. Question number 26. First producers oriented milk society in Amul. Answer 1946. Question number 27. Cooperative Training College started at Pune in. Answer 1947. Cooperative Training College started at Pune in 1947. Question number 28. Industrial Dispute Act. Answer 1947. Industrial Dispute Act 1947. Question number 29. Trivandrum Cooperative Training Center started in the year? Answer 1949. Trivandrum Cooperative Training Center started in the year 1949. Question number 30. Industrial Finance Corporation of India established in the year? Answer 1st July 1948. Industrial Finance Corporation established in the year 1st July 1948. Question number 31. Transfer of Public Ownership Act. Answer 1948. Transfer of Public Ownership Act 1948. Question number 32. Nationalization of RBI. Answer 1st January 1949. Question number 33. Banking Companies Act was passed in the year? Answer 1949. Banking Companies Act was passed in the year 1949. Question number 34. Indian currency devalued firstly? Answer 19th September 1949. Question number 35. Trivandrum Cooperative Training College started in the year? Answer 1949. Question number 36. Japanese Cooperative Consumer Union established? Answer 1951. Question number 37. Chartered Accountant Act. Answer 1949. Question number 38. The Planning Commission of India was formed on? Answer 15th March 1950. Question number 39. Gorewala Committee appointed in the year? Answer 1951. Gorewala Committee appointed in the year 1951. Question number 40. First Finance Commission was constituted? Answer 22 November 1951. Question number 41. First 5 years plan started? Answer 1st April 1951. Question number 42. Establishment of Community Development Program started in the year? Answer 1952. Question number 43. First Indian National Cooperative Congress at Bombay. Answer 1952. Question number 44. Travancore Cochin Cooperative Societies Act was passed in the year. Answer 1952. Question number 45. National Development Council was set upon. Answer 6th August 1952. Question number 46. Employees Provident Fund Act. Answer 1952. Question number 47. Kayar Industries Act. Answer 1953. Question number 49. Kayar Board started in the year. Answer 1954. Kayar Board started in the year 1954. Question number 50. Gorewala Committee Report. Answer 1954. Question number 50. What introduced in France? Answer 1954. Question number 51. Small Scale Industrial Board started in the year. Answer 1954. Small Scale Industrial Board started in the year 1954. Question number 52. State Bank of India formed in the year. Answer July 1st, 1955. State Bank of India formed in the year July 1st, 1955. Question number 53. ICICI formed in the year. Answer 1955. ICICI Bank was formed in the year 1994. ICICI Bank 1994 ICICI form ചെയ്തത് 1955 Question number 54. The Essential Commodity Act was passed in the year. Answer 1955. Essential Commodities Act was passed in the year 1955. Question number 55. LIC started in the year. Answer 1st September 1956. Question number 56. LIC Act was passed in the year. Answer 1956. Question number 57. LIC nationalized in the year. Answer 1956. LIC ഫോം ചെയ്തതും നാഷണലൈസ് ചെയ്തതും പിന്നെ LIC ആക്ട് പാസ്സായതെല്ലാം 1956 ആണ്. Question number 58. National Cooperative Development and Warehousing Board started in the year. Answer 1956. National Cooperative Development and Warehousing Board started in the year 1956. Question number 59. The decimal system of currency in India was introduced on dash. Answer 1st April 1957. Question number 60. Khadi and Village Industries Commission started in the year. Answer 1957. Khadi and Village Industries Commission started in the year 1957. Question number 61. Committee on Cooperative Law. Answer 1957. Committee on Cooperative Law 1957. Question number 62. Copyright Act. Answer 1957. Question number 63. NAFED started in the year. Answer 2nd October 1958. Question number 64. National Federation of State Cooperative Banks Limited, NAFSCO, was established on. Answer 19th May 1964. Question number 65. The Payment of Bonus Act. Answer 1965. Payment of Bonus Act 1965. Question number 66. Credit Authorization Scheme was introduced. Answer 1965. Credit Authorization Scheme was introduced 1965. Question number 67. NCCF was established in the year. Answer 16th October 1965. Question number 68. Reformulated Principles of ICA at Vienna. Answer 1966. Question number 69. Banking Regulation Act was applicable to cooperative societies. Answer 1966. Banking Regulation Act was applicable to cooperative societies 1966. Question number 70. All India Cooperative Review Committee appointed. Answer 1966. Question number 71. Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited, IFCO, started in the year. Answer 3rd November 1967. Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited started in the year 3rd November 1967. Question number 72. Agricultural Finance Corporation started in which year? Answer 1968. Agriculture Finance Corporation started in which year? Answer 1968. Question number 73. Kerala Revenue Recovery Act was passed in the year. Answer 1968. Question number 74. Nationalization of Commercial Bank in the year. Answer 1969. Question number 75. Social Control Bank started in which year? Answer 1967. Social Control Bank started in which year? Answer 1967. Question number 76. National Cooperative Housing Federation of India started in which year? Answer 1969. National Cooperative Housing Federation of India started in the year 1969. Question number 77. Lead banking scheme introduced in which year? Answer 1969. Question number 78. National Institute of Bank Management started in the year. Answer 1969. National Institute of Bank Management started in the year. Answer 1969. Question number 79. The Housing and Urban Development Corporation Limited started in the year. Answer 25th April 1970. Question number 80. Houseford started in the year. Answer 1970. Houseford started in the year. Answer 1970. Question number 81. State Cooperative Union started in the year. Answer 1970. State Cooperative Union started in the year 1970. Question number 82. The Kerala State Cooperative Rubber Marketing Federation Limited, popularly known as a Rubber Mark, was incorporated in. Answer 1971. Question number 83. The year in which 106 insurance companies were nationalized into 4 insurance companies. Answer 1972. Question number 84. The Regional Agro-Industrial Development Cooperative of Kerala Limited, RIDCO, started in the year. Answer 1972. Question by 85. Village adoption scheme by SBI in the year. Answer 1972. Question by 86. Banking Commission under the chairmanship of R.G. Saraiya in the year. Answer 1972. Question by 87. The Central Arakanat and Cocoa Marketing and Processing Cooperative Limited, CAMCO, started in the year. Answer 11 July 1973. Question number 88. FERA Act, Foreign Exchange Regulation Act, was passed in the year. Answer 1973. Question number 89. Basel Committee on Banking Supervision in which year? Answer 1974. Basel Committee on Banking Supervision in which year? 1974. Credit Authorization Scheme applicable to Cooperative Bank in which year? Answer 1974. Question number 91. Regional Rural Bank started in which year? Answer 1975. Question number 92. Regional Rural Bank Act was passed in the year. Answer 1976. Regional Rural Bank started in the year 1975. Regional Rural Bank in the Act passed in 1976. Question number 93. National Council for Cooperative Training, NCCT, started in the year. Answer 1976. Question number 94. Expert Committee on Consumption Credit in the year. Answer 1976. Question number 95. National Commission on Agriculture under the control of Mitra Committee in which year? Answer 1976. Question number 96. National Horticultural Research and Development Foundation in the year. Answer 1977. Question number 97. Saharana Veedi started in which year? Answer 1977. Question number 98. Committee on Integration of Cooperative Credit, Hazaria Committee, submitted the report in the year. Answer 1977. Question number 99. National Federation of Urban Cooperative Bank was started in the year. Answer 1977. Question number 100. Committee on Cooperative Urban Bank. The Madhavadas Committee in the year. Answer 1978.